The iQOO Neo 11 is positioned as a mid-range performance device. We got our hands on this phone ahead of its release, so let's take a quick look together. The model we received is the iQOO Neo 11 in the Storm colorway. This blend of blue and purple is quite elegant. Officially, it's said to use a lithography process. As you turn the phone, you can see not just the flow of colors on the back, but also a wind-like pattern, which is pretty cool. The AG glass on the back still feels smooth and doesn't attract fingerprints. The camera deco on the Neo 11 features a suspended lens design. The two camera lenses look as if they are floating on the surface of the deco, giving it a sense of depth. Additionally, this time the Neo 11 uses a metal frame, which is rare for its price point, elevating the overall quality of the device. In terms of performance, the iQOO Neo 11 is equipped with the high-end Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and the self-developed iQOO gaming chip. We ran an Antutu benchmark, and at room temperature, it achieved a score of 3.27 million. In the Geekbench 6 test, the Neo 11 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 scored 2819 for single-core and 8854 for multi-core. The self-developed iQOO gaming chip supports technologies like super resolution and frame interpolation, which can significantly improve frame rate and image quality. This leverages the advantages of its 2K 144Hz flagship screen. Taking Honor of Kings at maximum graphics as an example, with the help of the iQOO chip, it can run at a full 144 FPS. The iQOO chip also enables frame insertion to save power. This is the second phone on the market to support Honor of Kings at 144 FPS. We also tested Genshin Impact at the highest graphics settings. Using a performance tool to record the frame rate, we found that even under the heavy load of the highest settings, the frame rate remained stable and close to the maximum. The 1% low frame rate was 52.5 FPS. The overall average power consumption was less than 4W. Furthermore, thanks to its large-size VC heat dissipation plate and graphite cooling layer, the phone's screen doesn't dim or stutter even during long gaming sessions. The iQOO Neo 11 features a 6.82-inch screen with 2K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. Among phones in the same price range, its overall quality is well balanced with standout features. It also supports 2K LTPO adaptive refresh rate, which is rare in its class, balancing both smoothness and battery life. For eye protection, the iQOO Neo 11 has 2592Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, a native anti-blue light solution, and night mode for eye care. It has an SVM stroboscopic value as low as 0.03 and has obtained Rhineland certification, effectively reducing visual fatigue. In terms of touch, the new generation ultra-sensitive type chip supports an instantaneous sampling rate up to 3200 Hz. It offers stable 10-touch input, and the latency can be as low as 25.4 milliseconds, remaining precise even in extreme conditions. The iQOO Neo 11 is equipped with a 50-megapixel large sensor main camera that supports optical image stabilization. Although it doesn't have a telephoto lens, our tests showed that it still produces good photo quality even at 2x digital zoom. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens also supports fisheye mode for creative shots. While the Neo series isn't primarily focused on photography, the image quality is more than sufficient for daily use. For battery life, the iQOO Neo 11 is equipped with a 7500 mAh battery. We conducted a test in a Wi-Fi environment with the screen brightness at 50% and volume at 50%, playing Honor of Kings for 1 hour. The battery consumption was only 9%. Heavy use for a full day should be no problem. For charging, using the standard 100-watt super-fast flash charger, it can go from 0 to 16% in 10 minutes. A full charge takes 48 minutes. Additionally, the iQOO Neo 11 supports Global Direct Charging Pass-Through 2.0, which effectively reduces heat generation when using the phone while charging. Overall, the iQOO Neo 11 is a device with outstanding value in the mid-range performance category. Its core strengths precisely target user needs. It is suitable for gamers and power users who prioritize performance, battery life, and screen experience. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, and we'll see you in the next one.